wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chuck in West Virginia on his Ranger RCI X9. Chuck got it ready to go for you, bud. Our basic tune alignment, the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. 100 watt slug. Start with it all the way down. Guess say about 2 watts all the way down, Chuck. That way you have full adjustability. 30 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low to audio. Dance around the 60 watt mark. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello audio. About 165 peak. Alright, Chuck, I'm gonna get her out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.